What is Python? Python is a high-level, general-purpose, and very popular programming language. Python programming language, latest Python 3, is being used in web development, machine learning applications, along with all cutting-edge technology in software industry. Python language is being used by almost all tech giant companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Uber, etc. The biggest strength of Python is huge collection of standard library which can be used for machine learning, GUI applications, like Kiwi, tkinter, Pyqt etc. Web frameworks like Django, used by YouTube, Instagram, Dropbox, image processing, like OpenCV, Pillow, web scraping, like Scrappy, Beautiful Soup, Selenium, test frameworks, multimedia, scientific computing, text processing. Why learn Python? Python is currently the most widely used multipurpose, high-level programming language, which allows programming in object-oriented and procedural paradigms. Python programs are generally smaller than other programming languages like Java. Programmers have to type relatively less, and the indentation requirement of the language makes them readable all the time. Python jobs. Python is the most in-demand programming language in 2023, with companies of all sizes hiring for Python programmers to develop websites, software, and applications, as well as to work on data science, AI, and machine learning technologies. There is a high shortage of Python programmers, and those with 3 to 5 years of experience can command salaries of around $150,000 per year in the United States. Here is a list of companies that are hiring Python programmers: Accenture, Google, Cognizant, HCL Technologies, Capgemini, IBM India, Microsoft India, Amazon India, Adobe Inc., Oracle Inc., Intel India, Deloitte India, Cisco Systems Inc. Careers with Python. If you are a Python developer, you are in high demand. There are many jobs available in the current IT, software development market for freshers who know Python well. Web developer, backend developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, software engineer, systems engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, mobile developer, game developer, research engineer, quality assurance engineer, technical writer, product manager, technical support specialist. Applications of Python. There is a wide range of applications that Python can be used for: web development, Django, Flask, Pyramid, machine learning and artificial intelligence, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, data science and data visualization, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Desktop GUI, Pyqt, tkinter, Kiwi, web scraping, Scrappy, Beautiful Soup, Selenium, game development, Pygame, Godot, Unity, with Python plugin, business applications, Odoo, ERP Next, Triton, audio and video applications, FFmpeg, LibreOssa, OpenCV, embedded applications, MicroPython, CircuitPython, trending Python applications in 2023. Here are some of the trending Python applications in 2023. NextGPT, a multimodal large language model that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. ControlNet, a diffusion model that can be controlled to generate specific images. ProPainter, a video inpainting model that can fill in missing parts of videos. Ivy, a unified AI framework that supports multiple machine learning libraries. OpenPilot, an open source driver assistance system. LangChain Chat, a local knowledge-based LLM ka app.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.
IT Academy. Download our Android app. For more visit www.malakondatourism.com/it-academy.